Hi everyone, again welcome back to my channel Unfinished Curious Mind. Today in this video we will discuss about what Norma Basalis or is all about. So what is Norma Basalis? Norma Basalis is inferior view of the skull. Norma Basalis basically refers to the view of the skull from its inferior, means bottom aspects. It displays the base of the skull and it highlights its anatomical features, foramens, bones, landmarks, sutures, and it provides the important for understanding cranial anatomy and its connection with various parts of the uh, body such as bones, spine, brain, and other structures. This view is crucial for understanding the structural relationship of the cranium, both in living and skeletal remains. So again, welcome to our exploration of the Norma Basalis or the inferior view of the skull. This provides the crucial insight into the base of the skull, mm, which reveals the important anatomical landmarks, sutures, and helps us to understand the cranial functions and evolution in anthropology. This area is foramen marin, a large opening at the base of the skull. This somehow allows the spinal cord to connect with the brain, and it is essentially for the passage of major nerves and blood vessels. Next up, we will just go through what vomer vomer is. Vomer is basically a thin, flat bone which is forming a part of nasal area, nasal septum. It separates the left and right nasal cavities and plays a role in supporting the nasal structure and directing the airflow. Pterygoid plates. This is also very thin. Uh, this is kind of wing-like projection extended from the sphenoid bone. They usually provide the attachment point for muscles and involving chewing. And also you can say it's make them vital for mastication. Next, temporal fossa. Temporal fossa is a very shallow depression on the side of the skull, which is located slightly above from the zygomatic bone or cheekbone. It helps the temporalis muscle, which plays again key role in the chewing. Then we will understand what palatine process. Palatine process is basically a bony palate forms the anterior portion of the hard palate. This structure separates the oral cavity from the nasal cavity, and it helps to generate speech and swallowing. Zygomatic arch. Zygomatic arch is a bony structure or the cheekbone which is located near temporal, actually under temporal bones. It serves as an attachment site for um, we can say the facial muscles. It is also used in chewing and contributes to the overall facial structures of a person. Now, we will just quickly go and understand the two major sutures in the Norma Basalis of the skull. Occipitomastoid. Occipitomastoid suture is found usually between the occipital bones, as you can get aware of the name from the sutures name, occipital bone and the mastoid portion of the temporal bone. These suture also contribute in the stability of the posterior and lateral base of the skull. Next, spino-occipital suture. As you can again understand, it is the joining of two bones, which is sphenoid bone and occipital bone. This suture is mainly important for understanding the cranial stability and also provides insight into the age estimation when it comes for forensic or anthropology, and its skeletal remains as it fuses over time. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the next video.